Are you looking to get a messy fringe hairstyle? Well, this tutorial will help you out because I just came out of the shower, my hair's a little bit damp, and now it's time for me to get my messy fringe hairstyle look. And the way you get this hairstyle look is very simple. All you have to do is to use a sea salt spray, and the one that I'm using is from Organic Potion. The reason that I like this one is because it has jojoba oil in it, aloe vera gel, and an amazing coconut scent. So it will not only nourish and hydrate my hair and give me that perfect messy fringe look, but it will also make sure that my hair smells really nice. And all I have to do is to simply spray it on my hair. Alright, there we go. I like to use a little bit more because I really like the scent. That's it. And then after that, it's time for me to use my fingers. Because when it comes to this messy fringe hairstyle look, it's important to create the mesh yourself. Because all the sea salt spray does is add volume and texture to it. And if you're someone that wants to get more of a messy look, you simply use your fingers. Alright. There we go. And now you've got two options. The first one is to use a blow dryer to blow dry your hair, and the second one is to air dry your hair. And I personally prefer air drying because in my personal experience it gives it more of a natural texture. So all I have to do now is to wait for my hair to be air dried, and that's pretty much it. This is the final look. The steps to get messy fringe hairstyle is very easy, but it's all thanks to this sea salt spray, because when it comes to using the right sea salt spray, it can make a huge difference. And also, if you'd like to check the Organic Potion sea salt spray out for yourself, I will have it linked down below. So let me know what kind of hairstyle you'd like to see next in the comment section down below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, please consider to the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.